This is Gary Geiman with the Dominate the Day podcast. The purpose of this podcast is to help you get 1% better in your business, provide clarity, and give you some ideas that will help you grow your business. If you're ready to dominate the day, let's go.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.
Hey, what's going on? It's Gary Geiman with Dominate Partners. It's that time. You know what time it is. It's time to dominate the day. I've talked the last two episodes about the struggle small business owners face. We talked about customer acquisition and brand awareness. Today, I want to spin it a little bit further. I want to talk about building your own list and building your list. Look, social media is great, but what if it is taken away from you? I've been put in Facebook jail. I've been shadow banned on Instagram and Facebook where my reach isn't as far as it could be. I think I got like 30-something thousand followers on Instagram, 10,000 plus followers on Facebook, and my reach gets limited. I'll put a post out and 2 people will see it. It's crazy, you know? So what do you do? What do you do to improve your reach? You build an email list is what you do. You build a list of prospects that you can help move along the buyer journey to eventually become your customer. In order to get someone to buy from you, you need to build know, like, trust. And you build that through constant and consistent communication and nurturing, staying top of mind, continuously providing value. Look, people think, oh, I'm going to send an email out and ask them to buy. No, you're going to send an email out and give them value. An email is still ranked as the most effective marketing channel. For every $1 you spend on email marketing, you can expect a return of $35 to $40. Boom. $1, $35 to $40. And 59% of consumers say that marketing emails directly influence their purchasing decisions. So for those people who say email is dead, they are wrong. However, despite how effective email is, most email or most companies with an email marketing database lose 22% of their list every single year because they're not updating it. They're not adding to it. They're not doing data hygiene to add. And you need to work on building a list. And here's the key too. Like, building a list is not buying a list. Look, I like to buy a list to use for social media audiences, sometimes cold email, but that is not your buying list. That is not the people that want to buy from you. So you have to nurture that differently than people that can buy from you. So instead of buying lists, how do you build a list? Well, an opt-in email list is subscribers who voluntarily give you their information. So if you have a newsletter or a blog, you can push that. And then start nurturing your relationship with communication. And when someone opts into getting that blog or that information, that should capture their email address. You can leverage social media platforms. That's a great way. Provide content that is enticing and people want to continue to see your content. So give them a way to provide an email. Provide a playbook or an ebook that they need. I follow a guy who lost 100 pounds basically through diet, and he pushes out a recipe PDF ebook, and he charges, I think, $39 for the book. Now, he wants you to buy his coaching. His coaching is $100 a month, but he starts off with a one-time purchase of $39. You give him your email, and then all of a sudden, he's sending you videos on a daily basis in your email. Boom, bada bing. He got you to buy once, and then he sends you content. And that content, while at the end there's a hook to try to get you to buy, his content is all about helping you develop a mindset to get into weight loss. And so relate it to your business. Think about things that you can offer your customers that will get them in the mindset of using the things that you need and needing the things that you offer so that you can dominate the day.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't wanna dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you wanna dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.